Hi guys, welcome back with me and this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add header into your Google form. So as you can see here, my Google form is like blank like this, and I want to add some header into the form. So what you need to do is just go to this customize theme option at the top of the form, and you'll see the header option. You can just choose an image here, and then you can choose the header provided by the Google Forms theme, or you can also upload your own header in this, but I'm going to choose the themes or the header themes from Google Form. And as you can see, there are a bunch of categories that you can use, for example, for work and school, illustration, birthday, food and dining, just kids, wedding, and just an extra. I'm going to just use work and school, and I'm going to use this one, and then click on insert. Wait for the header, and then as you can see, the header has been added into your Google form. Okay, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and don't forget to click like and subscribe for more videos. See you guys on the next contents. Bye bye.